Good morning guys. Today we are going on some adventures around Langkawi. First stop, we're going up this sky cab to the top of the mountain, and then there's like a sky bridge, and it's going to be incredible views from up there, I think. It's busy. It's the holiday. It's the Malaysian holiday season right now, so it's pretty busy. Check this out. Beautiful. Dad, you've got over your fear of snakes a bit, haven't you?
I think I have. What we got here?
Yeah, boa. I found a boa. Check it.
Wow.
Hey, So guys, that's where we're staying, right over there. So basically, that's where we paddled out to on the kayaks, those little islands there. Here we are, the Langkawi Sky Bridge. We're trying to find the best photo shot. I think this is it. Got the bridge in the background. It's quite a high drop down to the canyon below. Oh, this is awesome. So apparently this is the longest curved bridge in the world. It's amazing. And that's pretty high up.
They'll have strong metal chains in them. No, stop it, stop. Stop it.
This is just the outside bit. Have a look over here, guys. Yeah. Well, that was very cool. We're heading back down now, down the cable car. That's cool, isn't it? Excellent. Excellent. Did you enjoy it, Adam? It's great. High five. High five. Yeah. We're now heading into this 3D art museum. Langkawi Art in Paradise. Well, this place reminds me of my bedrooms growing up. I had an underwater themed bedroom with murals painted on it, and then a jungle bedroom, which I'm sure you guys have seen on my channel. Actually, I'll link the video below, you can see my jungle bedroom as a kid. But yeah, this is awesome. Oh hey! Hilary the deep sea diver. So when I was like 15 or 16, this is what I wanted my job to be, was to be painting murals in people's houses. I guess like an interior designer. This is what I imagined doing for my life, was painting really cool stuff like this. Imagine having this painted on the walls of your house.
That's amazing. That's really good. Lots of old memories there, really, of murals and painting, and yeah, some good effects in 3D. Sometimes it's quite difficult to create those. Best way is to project images and then work out how to paint.
Yeah, that's how we used to do it, isn't it? Oh, this is lovely. This is where we're eating lunch, yeah? Whoa. It's like a little marina. Oh yeah, they've gone Christmas here with the tinsel and Christmas tree. Hello. Hello. Why, hello there. So the next thing we're doing today is a jet ski tour of some of these islands, which is going to be pretty crazy. Right, we're almost ready to go. I've got my life jacket on. We're just figuring out how to take things with us because we need to waterproof them. So I put this camera in my waterproof bag. I don't know if I'll use it, but I've got my GoPro as well. And yeah, we're heading off. Tour is incredible. Are you enjoying yourselves?
Loving it, loving it.
Great fun, isn't it? So we just heard an interesting fact about the islands in Langkawi. Apparently in the last century they've lost 4 islands. So a century ago they had more islands than they do today. I guess that's due to the sea level rise. At the Dayang Bunting Marble Geoforest Park. Was that as scary as you thought it'd be, Mum?
No, it's much nicer.
Look, it's a monkey. Hey, Mr. Monkey. Hey. These monkeys are awesome. Hey. Hello. They stole Hilary's can of drink that she was drinking, ripped it in half. Here, I got it. Hello, matey. Hello. They almost look human, don't they? Very expressive. Dad, you need to do your life jacket up quite tight, because otherwise this happens. Dad. Well, that's a nice little swim. We're going to go back through the monkey-infested forest now to the jet skis and continue our tour. Now, I know these monkeys have probably become overconfident around people, but I think that's the way it should be with animals, the animal kingdom and people. Is we should be living in harmony with one another. It'd be cool if all animals were this relaxed around us. Hey, mate. We're getting back on the jet skis. Oh yeah, there we are. Yes, I'm ready. Such awesome echoes. We're surrounded at the moment. Are we like in the middle of an island? We're taking the jet skis really close to the rock formation, and we're gonna slowly cruise alongside it. I'm facing the wrong way now. So earlier I was saying the islands that used to be part of Langkawi were destroyed from the sea level rising, but it's actually from the sea eroding the islands like this, and eventually they just drop off into the sea. This is amazing. Look at all this erosion. So this rock behind me is supposed to resemble a man's face. Don't know if you can see this. This one here. Check this out, like eyes, nose, mouth, chin. Yes, bro. We're going through the cave. We're going through the cave on the jet skis. Check this out. Oh, this is really low. Oh my gosh, it's so low. So my mum and Hilary are having a go at driving the jet skis. You can do it, Mum. Well guys, we just got in from the most epic day. Honestly, I've done a little bit of jet skiing, but that was phenomenal. Like, I just can't get the grin off my face. If you come to Langkawi, you've got to go on this tour, Mega Water Sports jet ski tour. So good. Thanks. Well guys, another incredible day in Langkawi. And although it was pretty intense, I'm feeling so relaxed. I think it's just spending time with my family and just having fun together. It's very good for my soul. Right, I will catch you tomorrow. There is a big surprise happening tomorrow, so just you wait. Peace out, enjoy life, and live the adventure. Boom.